topic about? They're so focused about their presentation. Hi everyone, it's Iriela here. So today is 5th day of Wylet in Washington DC. Actually don't know, but the things that I know is today is like our last day class for having fun activities, and tomorrow is gonna be our departure to go back to our state. And yeah, I'm not really excited for today because it's gonna be the last one. And here I got my breakfast. So last night I was eating kebab. I don't know how to pronounce it, kebab or whatever. And I couldn't finish it because like the portion is like so big, so I just put it in the microwave. This is like all my belongings since yesterday. The food, and this is like softener that I bought. So yeah, so I did put it in my microwave. It's still like kind of warm. Yeah. So let's eat. Like, can you guys hear it? It's like morning wake up call. Well, usually they call us like with phones here, but they just checking to make sure that we were waking up. So, anyway, back again to the topic. This is like Eid Mubarak goodie bag. Let's open it, guys. I haven't opened it yet. See? So there's like cookies, waffles, wafer, oh, I don't know. This one, so cute. There's a donut. See? Isn't it cute? Like the shape is like kind of donut or flower, I don't know. So this is like cookie with cream or chocolate and syrup. So this is like cookie. Hi guys, ini aku kayak barusan udah packing. I just packing my stuff, guys. This is like my case. This is like socks and everything for tomorrow. And this is my bed. Like, I haven't tied it up. I haven't. So yeah. So we are going outside now. I already ate my breakfast. Actually, just kind of like bored, chilling out in my room. I'm so proud of myself. Right now we are leaving from the hotel to the American consulate. So stay tuned. I'm done here. This is the material that I need, and this is like the poster or another material that I've done. The poster, the song. There is also like the quiz, and we're gonna make a poster in the end. I don't know it's gonna be seen or not, but anyways, the others like they were still making too. There is Sienna. No, Asena, Tenya and Tiana. Okay. What's your topic about?
My topic is about love and
Oh, what's yours about?
mine's about emotions.
Wow, good luck. What about you? What?
Games.
Ooh, games.
Yeah.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
Groups, they're working here. And both of them just like do nothing. Beauty here. What's your topic about?
Seasons.
Wow, sounds fun. And there is Shan. You are my Shan, Shan. You are my Look at Shan, Shan. Shan, Shan. And what? Yes, cake with love. And there is Hamaida and Uka. Hello guys.
Hello.
How is it going?
It's great. It's
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. So
And then after that, I'm gonna ask you questions. And then you guys need to pay attention because I'm gonna throw a ball and one of you need to answer.
And everyone here, they are so focused about their presentations. Lunch, there is a break. Now we are gonna eat. There is chips here. There is cookies. And there is
Hi.
we're gonna eat chicken. Everywhere.
You save it.
Oh, it's like in the burrito. I don't think that I can finish it. It's like so big. You need help?
no, I got it.
So here I got a drink.
You did, right?
Kind of like lemonade. We got here.
We don't use it that very often, but we have it. I wonder why. I wonder why.
Likes la 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 la. We like How is everybody doing today? First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Iriela and I'm from Indonesia. And since today I'm gonna be your new English teacher, and of course I would like to know all of you guys. So if you can, could you please introduce yourself by mentioning your name and where you're from.
I am Lily. I'm from Idaho.
Ooh, nice to meet you. I'm gonna give an example like a lion in the jungle say roar. A monkey in the jungle say
There's no
a chicken in the jungle say a chicken in the roar. What's an animal that can fly? Good job. What's an animal that can swim?
fish.
What's an animal that can slide? Okay, let's do it one more time.
So, but all of you who are not AFS alumni, you're going to hear from me and tell us a little bit about all my activities.
Are you ready to leave? I'm actually no, I'm not ready. Please.
Anna Narcia. Ariella Maharani. Asia Zenaida.
Right now we are downstairs, ready for this all my stuff. This friends over there. We are like so early. Now it's like 3 a.m. in the morning. Right now we are in the bus with Yusuf again. There is Shan. My Shan. So here I'm gonna get water. Oh, it's like gift store. It's 12 dollars. Damn, it's like this one. Isn't it cute? Washington DC. What? So expensive or something. So there's like food and some stuff, so let's go back. My date is like 54, so it's on the right. Washington, Oregon. My bag is like full of food. This is like from Eid Mubarak. And there is like candy, snacks over there, and I'm trying to finish all of it. I have like 39 minutes left before the departure time, so see ya. Hi guys, right now I'm already here. We have not taken off yet. We haven't taken off yet. Hi everyone, so right now I am already in Wylet, North Carolina, and this side is crowded. And right now I'm going to the see. But for real, it's so crowded, guys. I'm gonna check my passport and another next schedule. Okay, so right now I am going to explore this island, the Charlotte in North Carolina. I've never been here before, so let's go with me and explore! Yay!
For your safety and the safety of others, please use caution when entering and exiting the moving walkways and escalators. The use of wheelchairs, strollers, baggage carts, walkers, and pets are strictly prohibited on moving walkways and escalators.
It costs like
Do not leave
$4
infants for
to guys, jadi kali ini aku udah sampai di Arkansas. Aku sumpah ngantuk banget guys. Everyone, it's Irela here. Now I am arrived in Arkansas. I'm so sleepy. I don't have enough sleep last night, like 2 or 3 hours. She's in my stuff. And right now I'm gonna wait for my dad to pick me up. So stay tuned. You guys remember with that chair, the funny chair or the silly chair? That is like the story that we should share at that time. Enggak, aku baru aja ketemu Mbak Tuti. Mbak Tuti itu orang Indo yang lagi ada. Mbak Tuti itu orang Indo yang tinggal di Indonesia. Dia itu ramah banget guys. Dan aku nggak nyangka bakal ketemu dia. Dan dia tuh mau ke Eropa. Aku kayak, loh mau kemana? Sumpah sih. Dia sama suaminya guys. Suaminya itu orang Amerika dan mereka mau liburan ke Eropa.